say, hello and enjoying this weather. I'm amazed. It's a little flooding though, see? Got little puddles. And in the wintertime, the birds get on that ice patch where this water patch is, and they kind of just ski. The birds just kind of ski. Just kind of showing you my scenery today. It's Sunday. Having the conference call tonight. How to make fast and effective sales. That was the question I got. How to make fast and effective sales. Kind of hanging out where I'm at. How's your day going? Hope you're having a relaxing Sunday. What are you doing? What are you doing? Okay. My little one. We can reinvent ourselves before the children are grown. Reinvent yourself. Children. Starting a business is doing something different that you wanted to do. Children will keep you in a place of solitude and confinement sometimes if you can't get out. Especially if you can't get out. Solitude and confinement. Today it's beautiful here, it's nice, but I got my coat on and I'm super warm. I'm just kind of relaxing. If that water wasn't there, I'd be right over here on this rock. This is my favorite rock. My favorite rock. I could sit on it still. Oh my goodness. It must have grown the groove in it that I forgot about. But yeah, I'm just taking advantage of this day. It's beautiful here, and I'm just out here. And that's why I say when you start a business outside, there's several advantages of starting a business outside. Private lot. This is all, the store sits back like the pawn shop, but all of this lot, my son runs through here and everything, all of this lot, a private lot is best. And if you have a class, well, it's actually a package, how to start a business outside. And in there is the licensing, everything that you would need. And I suggest a private owner. Another advantage of starting a business outside is once you have a relationship with a private owner, somebody can have a car wreck right here, and the police will not come because it's a private lot. You can look that up. If you have an accident on a private lot, the police are not called out. You can call them, but they're not coming because it's a private lot. They're like, well, you have to deal with that with the lot owner. So that's why starting a business, like going to bars and going to barber shops are fine. Even setting up at somebody's establishment inside. I don't want all that. That's why I came out here. I searched and searched till I found my own brand. So we can understand that. But this Elegante is like, it is woofing like woo. And it's sexy. It's sexy, but it's strong. It's strong and boisterous, like white diamond. But it has the floral, dainty, sexy, like a new kick in this. It's very nice. Elegante. By the way, I have pounds of oils too. My pounds. I sell $100 for a pound. Whatever you like, $100 for a pound. 100. My son's like, Mom, it should be 200, but $100 for a pound. There's many advantages starting outside. And even when it's nasty and it's cold and it's wet, guess what you don't get? Could I get $1? Can I get 50 cents? I'm hungry. Give me 50 cents and 4 quarters. 50 cents and 4 quarters so I can get some hamburger and something to eat. You don't get that. Today I may get that. If it's snow and when it's cold, I don't get that. And not only that, I'm not just standing out here. I am in my van when I want to be. I go right to my van. I go right to my van. So I'm like in here. And then you get with him and coming up everything. That's what you do. Okay. Yes. When it's cold and everything, I go in my van. Alright, how you doing?
Hey, how are you?
Okay.
What's up, alright? You good, man?
Oh, alright. So how can I help you today?
Yes, man. I was just saying what kind of oils you got.
Okay. Now, why do you choose oils over cologne and perfume or, you know, a toiletry for a man?
Because it's more natural.
Okay, right. And that's what I would say.
It's not as sensitive on my skin.
Exactly. Okay.
So what are the prices of these?
There's 6 and 10 and 25. Today I have a lot of $6 and
$10. All these yourself?
we extract plants and barks and flowers and things like that. And we marry them. Then we sell them in the But anyway, what kind of stuff do you like?
I know they make this. I don't know if it's the same.
Okay, well, I'll use my mind. It's just in the oil. It's beautiful today.
That's right.
Oh my God, it's real nice. They all do. Jay-Z Gold is hot. You ever
You
had
got
Jay-Z
that?
Gold?
Where's that?
Right here. You can try it on you though. You know. Yeah, that's how you can tell.
Yeah, I take that.
Jay-Z Gold?
Yeah,
Okay, that'll work.
I always say, I see you out here all the time. I'm like, man, I gotta get some oil. I told Orion I was gonna come get some.
Oh, okay, so you know my son?
Oh yeah, I teach at the school.
I didn't know that. So
Yeah.
what's your name? I'm Renee.
Mr. Hollingsworth.
I'm his mom.
Yes,
Okay, I
ma'am.
didn't know that. No wonder he was looking like.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, I didn't know that. So I'm happy that his dad is usually up there a lot.
Yes, ma'am, he
And I'm
is.
not,
Yes,
so-
ma'am.
But this is what I do.
Okay.
I have, you know, I teach YouTube. I have a private Facebook group. I coach people, beginners in business.
Okay.
And I do like teaching like how to start a business outside, just different things.
Oh, wow.
And then this is my love right here, oil fragrances. So I offer these as well. So this is Jay-Z Gold.